Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically, those lines should disappear. So now let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera automatically, and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.